Using an automatic gas cooker typically involves a few simple steps. Here's a general guide on how to use one. Familiarize yourself with the cooker. Read the user manual that came with your gas cooker to understand its specific features, settings, and safety precautions. This will help you use it correctly and efficiently. Gas connection. Ensure that your gas cooker is properly connected to a gas supply. If you're unsure about the gas connection, consult a professional to handle the installation or check for any leaks. Ignition method. Automatic gas cookers usually have built-in ignition systems. Look for a knob or button labeled ignition, start, or with a spark symbol. This ignition method varies between models, but common options include electric ignition or a piezo ignition system. Electric ignition. Turn the burner control knob to the desired cooking zone and simultaneously press and turn the ignition knob to the ignite position. The spark should ignite the gas burner automatically. Piezo ignition. Turn the burner control knob to the desired cooking zone and press the piezo ignition button, usually located near the control knobs, several times until the burner ignites. Adjusting flame intensity. Once the burner is lit, you can adjust the flame intensity using the burner control knobs. These knobs typically have symbols indicating high, medium, and low heat settings. Turn the knob in the appropriate direction to increase or decrease the flame intensity. Selecting cooking zones. Automatic gas cookers usually have multiple burners or cooking zones. Each zone may have its own burner control knob. Identify the cooking zone you want to use and turn the corresponding knob to the desired heat level. Cooking and monitoring. Place your cookware on the burner and start cooking. Make sure to use suitable pots and pans that match the burner size. While cooking, keep an eye on the food and adjust the flame intensity as needed to maintain the desired temperature. Turning off the gas cooker. When you're finished cooking, turn off the burners by turning the corresponding control knobs to the off position. Ensure that the flames are completely extinguished and the gas supply is shut off. Safety precautions. Always prioritize safety when using a gas cooker. Keep the cooking area well ventilated, as gas burners produce carbon monoxide. Additionally, if you smell gas, suspect a leak, or encounter any other issues with the cooker, turn off the gas supply immediately, open windows for ventilation, and contact a professional for assistance. Remember, specific instructions may vary based on the model and manufacturer of your gas cooker. Always consult the user manual provided with your appliance.